خبر شامل کرتے ہیں عالمی منظر نامے سے۔ وزیر اعظم پاکستان محمد شہباز شریف نے نیو یارک میں منعقدہ خصوصی کلائمیٹ سمٹ سے خطاب کیا۔ وزیر اعظم نے کہا کہ پاکستان کو شدید بارشوں اور سیلاب کے باعث تباہ کن صورتحال کا سامنا ہے، جس میں 50 لاکھ سے زائد افراد اور ہزاروں دیہات متاثر ہوئے ہیں، جبکہ 1000 سے زائد قیمتی جانیں ضائع ہو چکی ہیں۔ وزیر اعظم محمد شہباز شریف کا نیو یارک میں منعقدہ خصوصی کلائمیٹ سمٹ سے خطاب۔
Flash floods, mudslides and devastating urban flooding. This climate-induced catastrophe has impacted over 5 million lives across 4,100 villages. Over 1,000 precious lives have been lost. We are facing this calamity at a time when the scars of the 2022 floods that inflicted losses exceeding $30 billion and displaced millions are still visible across our land, and Secretary Guterres is a witness to this catastrophe. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's contribution to global greenhouse gas emissions is almost negligible, but we bear impacts far beyond our share. Our commitment to delivering on our climate agenda, however, remains steadfast and unwavering. In our 2021 nationally determined contribution, Pakistan committed to an unconditional 15% reduction in projected greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 as part of an overall target of cutting emissions by 50%. I'm pleased to share that Pakistan has already delivered on its unconditional pledge of a 15% reduction. Renewables are presently providing over 32% of Pakistan's power mix. Solar energy has grown sevenfold since 2021. 23,000 hectares of mangroves have been restored. However, the implementation of Pakistan's national adaptation plan is hampered severely due to inadequate international climate finance. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to announce here that we shall increase the share of renewables